Tips and tricks to build your wealth. Building wealth is a goal many people aspire to achieve. It involves smart financial planning, disciplined saving and investing, and making informed decisions about your money. Here are some tips and tricks to help you build your wealth. Set clear financial goals. Define specific, measurable, and realistic financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, retiring comfortably, or starting a business, having clear objectives will guide your wealth-building strategy. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses too. Understand where your money is going. Creating a budget helps identify areas where you can cut expenses and increase savings. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more money doesn't mean you should spend more. Save and invest the difference between your income and expenses. Build an emergency fund. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. This provides a financial safety net in case of unexpected expenses or emergencies. Eliminate high-interest debt. Pay off high-interest debts like credit cards as quickly as possible. The interest on these debts can erode your wealth-building efforts. Save and invest consistently. Make saving and investing a habit. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts so that you consistently contribute to your financial future. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investment portfolio by spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Take advantage of employer benefits. If your employer offers a retirement plan like a 401k, take full advantage of it, especially if they match contributions. This is essentially free money for your future. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. Knowledge is a powerful tool for making informed decisions. Avoid emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed drive your investment decisions. Stick to a well-thought-out investment plan and avoid making impulsive moves based on market fluctuations. Consider tax-efficient strategies. Be mindful of taxes when investing. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like IRA letters and 401ks. And consider tax-efficient investment strategies. Invest in yourself. Continuously invest in your skills and education. Increasing your earning potential can have a significant impact on your long-term wealth. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors or planners for personalized guidance on your financial situation and goals. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Be wary of investments or opportunities that promise unrealistic returns with little to no risk. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Patience and discipline. Building wealth takes time. Stay patient and disciplined in your approach, and avoid making impulsive decisions. Review and adjust your plan. Regularly review your financial plan and adjust it as needed. Life circumstances and goals can change, so your strategy should adapt accordingly. Give back. Consider charitable giving as part of your wealth-building strategy. It can be personally fulfilling and may also offer tax benefits. Remember that building wealth is a long-term endeavor, and there are no guaranteed shortcuts. It requires dedication, discipline, and smart financial decisions over time. Start early. Stay committed to your goals and watch your wealth grow steadily. Thanks for watching.